Dear friends, hi, this is Nick Polishkin, broker with Vera Realty. Today we want to do an overview of the month of December of year 2022 in comparison of year 2021. We will check on the 4 most important factors which show us the activity on the market and the life of the real estate market in South Florida. We're going to talk about closed sales, the amount of transactions, the average time to sell, and the month of supply of inventory for Tri-County area. It's Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach County. And at the end we will summarize it, and also I'll talk about the beginning of year 2023, how it began and what we see, if we see any changes in comparison with last year of 2022. So let's go and take a look at the numbers. I will share the link below to this report. Definitely follow it if you're interested in it, and subscribe to our channel, give us likes. And if you need more information on analytics and real estate, let me know. I will definitely give you the best advice and guide you in the real estate world of South Florida. Okay, let's go. So we're looking at Miami-Dade County, single family homes. We have a drop in sales in December of 2022 in comparison with December of 2021. It's 45% drop, from 1,400 homes to 744 homes. This is huge. This is definitely shows that the market slowing down, more inventory on the market, and less sales. Another big important factor is the size of the transactions. It went down by 65%, from $1.6 billion to $600 million. Another important factor is active inventory. It went up from 2,500 homes in December of 2021 all the way up to 4,000 homes in December of 2022, raise of 57%. And also another important metric which I want to tell you is month of supply of inventory. It went up 100% from 2 to 4 months. So if we're taking a look at Miami townhomes and apartments, we see the same story. It's more apartments for sale, so more inventory, more months of supply, and less transactions. This is all because the market slowed down, plus December historically was slower month. Let's take a look at the Broward County. So in Broward County, we see similar story for single-family homes. The closed sales went down by 43%, from 1,500 homes to 876 homes. Median sale price went up from $500,000 to $530,000. Size of the transactions went down from $1 billion to $600,000, so 40% drop. And active inventory went up by 106%. From 1,700 homes to 3,500 homes. Supply of inventory is from 1 month raised all the way up to 3 months. Very similar situation, and based on the numbers and analytics, we can really tell that December was a slow month. Same story with townhomes and condominiums in Broward County. Let's take a look at Palm Beach County. We have closed sales went down from 1,600 homes to 1,000 homes, 40% drop. We have size of the transactions went down 50%, from $1.6 billion to $800 million in size, and inventory raised from 1,800 homes to 4,000 homes, from 1 month supply of inventory to 3 months. Similar story with townhomes and condominiums in Palm Beach County. We analyze metrics on a monthly basis, and we always keep a pulse on the market. So we like to see the metrics, we analyze them, we understand where the market moves. Also, we have direct picture because our brokerage, Vera Realty, have about 100 agents, and we do transactions in this Tri-County area. And we also see exactly the same situation with our revenue streams. In January, first 2 weeks were very slow. Towards the end of January, we see the raise in these transactions, we see more interest from people, so hopefully we can close the month strong. In February, we will see how it goes. But see you in January, because we're going to talk about January numbers very soon, and we're going to give the same analysis of the real estate market. If you want to learn more about real estate analytics, about the data, about the market pulse, about the inventory levels, reach out to me directly. I will be able to consult you and assist you and give you the best advice if you're looking to buy real estate in South Florida. Subscribe to our channel. This was Nick Polishkin. Stay tuned.